Right, so today we have a patient with bilateral jaw pain. Mostly first started on the right side. Last 1 month he's getting pain on the left side. We assessed him, and then obviously he's also complaining of some pain on both necks as well. Possibly because of clenching his teeth at night. So the masseter muscle a lot of tightness, so which is what is giving him a lot of pain and stuff. So what we're trying to do is to release those muscles first, and also gently work on the joints. Slight open. Thank you. How's the pressure? Okay. Slight open light. Okay. How's this? Open slight. Pain? Okay. So how is the pain after the treatment?
70% normal, better.
Okay, very good.